Hello students, in previous video we solved exercise 1.2. Now today we see or solve next example. Let's see here. First example is P and in bracket Q or R equivalence P in bracket P and Q or in bracket P and R. Here we prove here first statement is equivalent to other statement. Before starting, let's see again table, IMP table here. Here this is conjunction symbol, and conjunction is true when both are true, then it is true, and otherwise false. Write down. In disjunction, disjunction is false when both are false, then it is false, and write down otherwise it is true. This is the symbol of conditional, or another word is implication. Here implication is false when first statement is true and other is false, then write down it is false, and otherwise it is true. This is the symbol of biconditional or double implication, and double implication is true when both statement having same truth value, then it is true. That means both are true, then it is true. Here statement are C statement first, and write down its column and row. There are 3 statements P, Q, R, means write down here 8 rows. Again write down this statement in column. First P, Q, R, then next is Q or R, write down here, and again write down this statement P and Q or R. Next column write down P and Q, and again write down P and R, and last write down this whole statement in last column and find its truth value. First write down truth value of P, Q, R, and sequence is here. Sequence first in P column both write 4 T and remaining 4 F. Remember this. In Q column write 2 T 2 F, 2 T 2 F, and in R column alternate write down. First T write down and again F, T F, T F, T F. 8 times write down here. Next write down here Q or R, means this column or this R, disjunction use here, and write its truth value. In disjunction both are false, then it is false, remember only, and otherwise write down T. Here write down T. Here write down T. Here write down T, and here both are false, means write down here false. Here write down T. This is T and this is T, and here both are false, means write down F. In next P and Q or R, here this P means this first column and with this column, fourth column, means this conjunction are used here, and remember in conjunction both are T, then write down T. First here T, T, write down T, 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 write down T. Here T, here T, here write down T. Here T, here F, means write down F. F, T, F, F, T, F, means both are F. Here write down here F, T. Again next P and Q, means this P and Q, second column. Here conjunction use, and in conjunction both are T, then write down T. Only remember this point. Here both are T, then it is T. Both are T, it is T. Both are not T, then it is false. Here both are not T, it is false. here both are not T, it is false. False. In next P and R, mean this P and R, first column and third column. Here again and conjunction and use here and write its truth value in this column. Next P and Q or P and R, means this column or this column. Here disjunction use this column with this disjunction, means in disjunction both are false, then write down F. And see here both are not false, it is T. Both are not false, it is T. Both are false, both are false, write down false. Here all values are false here, since this is the table for given statement pattern. Here the entries in column 5 and 8 are identical, since given statement pattern are equivalence, logical equivalence. Next see example. This is simple, and see here in bracket negation in bracket P or Q, or in bracket P or Q bracket close and R is equivalence to R. This statement is equivalence to R statement. Here write down, draw table. There are 3 statements P, Q, R, means draw 8 rows, and again write down statement in column. See here PQR, in P first 4 T and other 4 false. In Q first 2 T and 2 F, 2 T 2 F. In R TF write down, and we know that OR conjunction use here P or Q, then write down its value in bracket in column. Next negation P or Q, means opposite of this, write down its truth value. Here is T, then it is F. Opposite of this write down in column, in this column. Next write down negation P or Q or P or Q, means this column or with this column. Remember here or conjunction use, or disjunction or symbol is here, means both are false, then it is false. Remember only point. Here see F T, it is T. F T, it is T. F T, it is T. Means both are false, then write down only false. But here both statements are not false, only TT. Next negation in bracket P or Q, or in bracket P or Q and R, means this statement and this R statement, means here conjunction use this column with and R, and in AND conjunction both are two T, then it is true. Remember this. Here this here T, here T, means it is T. Here T, here is not T, means write down false. T, this is T. T, F, not T, it is false. Write down its truth value. And again the entries in column 3 and 7 are identical, since this is logical equivalence, means here this entry and R, this entry are same, having truth value, since this is equivalence to R column. Next example, see here solution. This is table, draw first here P and Q, two statements, since having 4 row only. And again here write down statement in negation P, negation Q, then P implies Q, negation P implies Q, next P and negation Q, again Q and negation P, and last this statement write down in this column and find its truth value, and check this truth value. The truth value of this statement is equivalent to this statement. Here the entries in column 6 and 9, these and these are identical, since the given statement are logical equivalence. Question 3. Examine whether each of the following statement pattern is tautology, a contradiction, or a contingency. In previous video, we learned the term tautology, contradiction, and contingency. Once again, repeated. Tautology means in the truth table, last column having same t value, truth value, then it is tautology. And contradiction means last column having f value, means all values are f, then this statement called contradiction. And contingency means when last column neither t or not f, then it is contingency. Remember and see the example first. Here first statement is given that P and Q implies Q or P. Here draw the table for this statement. Let's see. Here two statement P, Q. Write down. Here count logical here statement count here and connective, and draw table for this statement. We can draw here table for statement. Here two statements P or Q, then 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 rows. Draw here, and connectives are 1, 2, 3. Connective 3 and statement 2 means 5 columns. Draw here. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 columns. Draw here and find its truth value. First see here P and Q, P and Q, T and T, T, T and F, F, F and T is F, F and F is F. Next column Q or P, Q or P means T or T is T, F or T is T, T or F is T, and F or F is T. And again find its truth value. Statement is P and Q implies Q and R, means this column implies with this column. T implies T is T, F implies T is T, F implies T is T, and F implies F is T. See here the given statement having same truth value. All values are TT. Since all entries in the last column of the above table are T, since this statement is tautology. Next example. Here given statement is P implies Q by conditional in bracket negation P or Q. Here statement are 2, P and Q means 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. 4 row draw here, and columns once again here count connectives 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 connectives and 2 statement means 6 column. Right, draw here. There are 6 columns, and write down its statement. First P, Q. If 4 rows, then write down 2T and 2F, and Q column TF, TF. Write down. Remember and write negation P. P implies Q. Then again negation P or Q, and last write down whole statement and find its truth value. Here, see here, negation P means opposite of this is F. Opposite, write down. P implies Q, write down. Negation P or Q, write down and find its truth value. And next here, see this column. Both are all values are T, means it is tautology. Next is in bracket negation P and negation Q or Q. Here count statement P and Q, two statement means 4 rows, write down. Again connective count 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 5 connectives. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 columns right here, draw here. 4 5 6 7 and find its truth value. Let's see. P Q, negation P, opposite of this is negation P. Negation Q means opposite of this column, right here truth value. And again negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q means F and F, right here F and T, F. Again negation of negation P and negation Q means opposite of this, write down in this column. Here F, here write T. Here F, write down opposite T. F, write down T. And next negation in bracket negation P and negation Q or Q means this column, 6 number column, or with Q. This is or with Q means or disjunction use here. In disjunction we know that both are false, then it is false, remember. And C value, here T, here T, not both are F, write down T. T F T T T T. Here both are false, write down false. And see the entries in the last column of the above truth table are neither T or nor all F, means here no, all entries not T or not F, since the given statement pattern is contingency. Next see, in bracket P implies Q and Q implies P. First statement are 2 means 4 row and connectives are 1 2 3. 2 plus 3 means 5 columns. And write down its value P and P implies Q and find its truth value. Here both are not all entries are not T or not F, means it is contingency. Let's see the table. Above the entry of the truth table are neither T or nor all F, means it is contingency. Next example. In bracket P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P. First statement are 2 means 4 rows. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 and connectives are 1 2 3 4 5 connectives. 2 plus 5 7 columns. 3 4 5 6 7. 7 column, draw here and write its truth value. First write P Q, again negation P negation Q. This is negation P and negation Q, and again P implies Q, write down here. Then again this whole statement write down here, and again whole statement in last column, and find its truth value. We know that implication, conjunction, disjunction. And see here in the last column of the table, both are T, means it is tautology. See here table, the given statement is tautology. Write down. Next example. P biconditional Q and in bracket P implication negation Q. P and Q, two statements, since 4 rows. Again connectives are 1, 2, 3, 4 connectives. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and 6 column draw here. This is 6 columns, and find its truth value. First write down statement, P statement, Q statement, negation P, P implication Q, P implication negation Q, and last whole statement. This whole statement write down in last column and find its truth value. Negation Q, P implication Q, write down its truth value and check here both are T or false. Here neither be T nor F, means this is contingency. The entries in last column of the above truth table are neither all T nor all F, means this statement is contingency. This is here. This statement write down in column, count here connectives and statement and draw table. Last find its value. Here it is neither be T or nor F, means this statement is contingency. Let's see first next example. P and negation Q biconditional P implies Q. First count statement P and Q, means 4 rows right here, and connectives are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 column right here, and write its statement. First P Q right here, negation Q, then P and negation Q, again P implies Q, and last this whole statement right here, and find its truth value. Let's see again. Negation Q means opposite of this right here, negation Q. P and negation Q means this P statement and negation Q. First T and F is F. T and T is T. F and F is F. And use here conjunction. F and T is F. Next implication. And implication we know that this third row, see here, implication, if first is true and second is false, then it is false. Here first statement is T and T, T implication T is T. T implication F is F. F implication T is T. F implication F is T. And last right here its truth value, P and negation Q, means this statement, this column, P and negation Q. Biconditional with P implies Q. Biconditional with this column, P implies Q. Here biconditional use. Biconditional means, see here fourth row, both are having same truth value, then it is true. And see here first value of this column, F biconditional T is F. T biconditional F is F. F biconditional, or another word is double implication. Read as F double implies T is F. F double implies T is F. And here the entries in the last column is F. This is last column. Entries of this column is false, since this given statement is contradiction. See again next example. and draw here table. First count statement and connective and draw table. 1 2 3 4. 4 plus here statement are 3. P Q R means here rows are 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 rows draw here. And columns means statement plus connectives. Connectives are 1 2 3 4 connectives. 4 connectives and 3 statements. Here 7 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 column. Let's see table for this statement. First P Q R. In P column, fourth R T write down and other 4 are false. 2T 2F 2T 2F. In R column alternate write down TF 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 and write negation P in this column. Opposite of this P is write down here negation P. And again negation P implies Q. Means negation P implies with Q, this column. Implication are used here and write its truth value. Next is P and R. Means this P and R means this column. And conjunction used here. Write its truth value. And next write down negation P implies Q and P and R. Means this column and with this column P and R. Conjunction use here, this symbol see here. Conjunction in both column conjunction use means T and T is T. T and F is F. Write its truth value. And see the last column. The entries in last column of the above truth table are neither all T or nor F. Means it is contingency. The given statement is contingency. Write down here. See again this table. Remember. Next example. Last. In bracket P implies in bracket Q negation Q or R. By double implication negation in bracket P implies in bracket Q implies R. First count statement and connectives. There are 3 statements P Q R. If 3 statements then write down row 8 means 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. 8 rows draw here. And column means count here connectives. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 connectives plus 3 statement means 10 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 columns draw here. And next write down P Q R truth value. In P column truth values are 4T 4F. In Q column truth values are 2T 2F 2T and 2F. In R column write here TF TF alternate write down. And again negation Q. Here in statement see here negation Q. Since write here negation Q. Next negation Q or R. Negation Q. And again this statement P implies negation Q or R. This statement. Then again Q implies R here. And P implies Q implies R. this statement. Next, negation of this statement. Negation in bracket P implies Q. This statement, second statement, write down here, and last column write down whole statement, given whole statement write down in last column. And we know that value of this negation Q or R. Negation Q means opposite of this, write down in this column. Here is T, then it is F. Again, negation Q or R means this negation Q or R, this column. Or means disjunction use here and write its truth value. F or T is T. F or F is F. T or T is T. Write down. Next, P implication in bracket Q, negation Q or R means this column implies with this column. Implication use here. Implication means T implies T is T. T implies F is F. T implies T is T. And T implies T is T. Write its truth value. Next, Q implies R. Q implies R means T implies T, T. T implies F is F. F implies T is T. F implies F is T. Implication. Next, write down its truth value. P implication Q implies R means this column implies with this column. Q implies R. Write down its truth value. And next again, negation of P implies Q implies R means negation of this column. Write down its truth value in this column. Opposite of this, here T, then it is F. Here F, then write down here T. If here T, then write down opposite of this is F. And next column, this statement. P implies in bracket negation Q or R biconditional with negation P implies in bracket Q implies R means this column biconditional means double implication with this column. In double implication we know that both are having same truth value, then it is T, true. And see here statement truth value, here T, here F, it is not T. Here F, here T, here is F. Here T, here F, it is F. Here T, here F, it is F. Next, here T, here F means both are all entries in this column is false since the given statement is contradiction. See the solution of this example.